Sudden sensory neural hearing loss is an emergency in ENT. Coming to the definition, hearing loss more than 30 decibel in at least 3 adjacent frequencies occurring within 3 days. Loss may be partial or complete. Usually it is unilateral, may be accompanied by tinnitus or vertigo. Coming to the etiology, viral infections like mumps, herpes, varicella, meningitis, vascular conditions like hemorrhage, thrombosis, embolism of labyrinthine or cochlear artery, traumatic conditions like head injury, post-ear surgeries, barotrauma, noise-induced hearing loss, spontaneous rupture of cochlear membrane, etc. Bacterial infections like meningitis, otitis media, syphilis. Autological conditions like Meniere's disease, Cogan's syndrome, patent vestibular aqueduct, cochlear otosclerosis. Ototoxic drugs like aminoglycosides, loop diuretics, neoplastic like caustic neuroma, systemic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, sarcoidosis, uremia, etc. Idiopathic, majority of the cases it is idiopathic, the cause is not known, psychogenic. Initial assessment and early intervention are very important in sudden sensory neural hearing loss. Careful history and clinical examination is must. Audiometric evaluation to know the amount of hearing loss, and also it is useful in the follow-up period. Vestibular function tests are also useful. Among the radiological investigations, X-rays are not much useful. MRI and CT scan of the brain are important. Blood tests for diabetes, lipid profile, syphilis, thyroid profile, ESR, all these need to be done. Coming to the treatment, first treat the cause. All these patients are advised bed rest, sedate the patient. Steroid like prednisolone 1 mg per kg given over a period of 3 weeks. Inhalation of carbogen containing 5% of carbon dioxide and 95% of oxygen. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, vasodilators, low molecular weight dextran, antivirals like acyclovir, and intratympanic steroid. Here using 26 number needle steroids injected into the middle ear. It gives excellent result. 50% of patients with idiopathic sensory neural hearing loss recover spontaneously within 2 weeks. Better prognosis in younger patients with moderate hearing loss. Poor prognosis in patients with vertigo. Chances of recovery are poor after 1 month.